Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Carnitine Liquid 3000. First, identify your desired dosage, which is often 1 serving or about 1 tablespoon for many individuals. Use the measuring cap or dropper that comes with the product to ensure you get the precise amount. Many find it beneficial to consume their dose approximately 20 to 30 minutes before a workout session to maximize its effects. Once you have measured your dose, it's time to mix it. You can easily combine Carnitine Liquid 3000 with 4 to 8 ounces of water, juice, or your favorite protein shake. Stir it well until fully blended. For optimal effectiveness and taste, drink the mixture right away. Remember to avoid very hot beverages, as extreme heat might reduce the supplement's potency. For consistent benefits, aim to take 1 serving of Carnitine Liquid 3000 daily. While pre-workout is popular, you can also take it at other times, such as with a meal, especially on non-training days. The key is consistency. Incorporating it into your daily routine, whether before exercise or at a regular time, helps your body utilize it effectively over time. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the quality of your Carnitine liquid. Keep the bottle tightly sealed in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or excessive heat. Always give the bottle a good shake before each use to ensure the ingredients are evenly distributed. As with any supplement, it's wise to consult your doctor before adding it to your regimen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.